Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking that you have an administrator account. This ensures you can remove system items. Once done, open Settings with Win+I or Type Settings in Start. This is faster. Make sure to back up any desktop shortcuts or export the registry key if you prefer safety. Now navigate directly to Personalization to begin removing control panel entries from the desktop view. You'll act on visibility options rather than uninstalling system components, because Windows 11 hides rather than deletes them. You should now click Personalization, then Themes, and choose Desktop Icon Settings. This panel controls which system icons show on the desktop. Uncheck Control Panel, then click Apply and OK. This immediately removes the icon. If the option is grayed out, use Group Policy Editor at User Configuration Administrative Templates Desktop, or edit the registry at hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows /current version /Explorer /hide desktop icons to force the change. Make sure to export keys first. That avoids accidental loss. Once the checkbox change is applied, refresh the desktop or sign out and back in to confirm Control Panel is gone from the desktop. If you need the icon back, return to Desktop Icon Settings and recheck it. Changes are reversible. If the icon persists, restart Explorer using Task Manager or import your saved registry export to revert unwanted edits. And if group policy is enforced by an organization, contact your admin. You may need elevated permissions to override managed settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.